Hi everybody. Okay, we got a new project, and it's a RSS news feed, or world news, general world news at any level. Okay, I just want to make it a bit different, so I'm going to do some working with the connection. This is the this is what I call it, the LED OLED screen, which I'm going to put it here. You can put it anywhere really. Okay, like that. Okay, then I'm going to get do some railing. This is we need 5 volt. So this is actually 3 volt. So I'm going to use, I'm not going to do a railing, I'm just going to take it from here. Okay, this pin here is 5 volt, and I'm going to put it to VCC, which is here. Let me just check properly. There, can you see? Ground, the first is ground, the second is VCC. So this is the ground, this is VCC, and I'm going to put the ground rail in here. It's a second button. First one is VCC 3 volt, and this is ground. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the blue, the ground, and usually the VCC on the red. But in this case, I'm only using the ground on this one. So we put the ground here. You can see, remember we set it earlier on, ground. And we just put it on the blue one, where it's coming from the chip. Okay, so now we're going to use the pin, which I usually have SDA and SCL. So SCL will be number 6. So it's this one, it's not, I don't count it. So this is start here, 1, pin 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 is SCL, and can you see here? SCL is the third button, the third pin here, and number 7, it's SDA. Then, okay, so everything should work, and we plug it in. I think I got everything. I got 5 volt. 5 volt for the screen takes 5 volt. Sometime if you got components that require 3 volt, then you use 3.3 volt, you use this one. All right, in this case. All right, so let's plug it in. Okay, it is starting. Let's see what the news look like. I'm going to capture window. Okay, so this is what the news look like, and we can actually add a button to make it smooth. So the button I'm going to use pin 18 in this case. The first one here, it's 19, 18. There we are. Then we're going to, we can use 5 volt. So let me see. I can also use 3 volt because it's a button. So I'm using 3 volt. Okay. And the ground, I'm going to put it here. It's up. And it's working. So what it does, when you press a button, it slides on the other side so that you can read the news comfortably. Okay? Does this make sense? So now you can read the news much comfortably, and it's going at a slow speed. Alright, so this was an idea how a news feed works, and you can keep it in your office and you receive all the latest news. And this is the card, as you can see. Okay, so this is okay, there we are. You need quite a few library. Obviously, you need a wire H, Adafruit GFX, Big2 for the OLED, and Arduino JSON to parse the news information. I've showed you number 7 SDA, number 6 your password and your username, your network name and your password here. This is my API, which I'll take it off. You don't have to use my one. You can. There are quite a few. There is a GNews API, and there is a news API.org. Okay, so those one are the one that give you 100. You can go through 100 news a day, and then it reactivated after a day. Okay, so you can have a few and you can run all day. So, and this is the code which I will post on the YouTube channel. Okay, here's a setting of a time. You want the news to come faster, slower, and so on. And this is how you display on your OLED, you know. And yeah, start time, spend time, and I'm not going to go through the code because I will publish them. Okay, so this is the way it works, and there we are. So I will do one with a LCD 1602, and I might do, if it's people like it, I'll do one with a Nokia 5510 screen. So let's see this one. I think if I get to I'm trying to see how can you remove that flickering of the screen, because it doesn't flick. I know that it's a frequency that flick too slow, and it affects your eyes can pick it up. But if it's over 60 megahertz, then you shouldn't pick it up. But I will have to have a look what. But this is, yeah, it's the camera that does that. Any case, guys, I hope you have a good day, and thank you very much. Please thumbs up if you like it.